I wanted to do things a little differently today, and I wanted to share with you guys the November subscription box that I got from Ipsy. I signed up for this a few months ago, honestly, and have been meaning to like share with you guys what I get every month, and I honestly forget. And so I want to start now in November. So if you don't know what an Ipsy subscription box is, I think I have the Glam bag plus. Basically, I pay $28 a month and I get 5 full-sized products, whether they are skincare products, makeup, and I think they do hair products as well. But there's a really cool survey that they have where you can kind of fill out what your specs are, like your skin tone and like, you know, what you prefer to get in your box. I chose to not receive hair products just because I like to know what I'm putting in my hair and I like to shop for it myself. I'm very particular with what I put in my hair, so I like to just worry about getting all that on my own. They usually put it in like a really cute bag and the print changes every month. What I love is they send you an email a couple weeks before your box is scheduled to ship out, and they give you a huge selection of products to choose from, and you choose the 5 that you want to receive in your bag. So the first item that I chose is a cleansing face balm, and it's from Refreshments. I have been hearing so much, well, I've really been seeing a lot online about cleansing balms, and I'm really curious to try because I've never used a cleansing balm before. It smells really like waxy, like it doesn't have a fragrance to it at all, and it's literally just a balm. I feel like the whole concept of like a cleansing balm is just so different than what I'm used to, at least. For the second product I got in my bag, it's by Purlisse, and it's a pumpkin and ginger detoxifying charcoal mask. It gently detoxifies pores and it clarifies and brightens, exfoliates and purifies. It's for oily, combination, normal and even sensitive skin, so I feel like it really just targets many different areas. Ooh, and it smells like pumpkin. I'm not a pumpkin person. Really like how cute this is. Moving on to the third product in the bag, we have a blue Volcanic stone purifying and antioxidizing cleansing gel, and it's by the brand Avant, or I don't know how to pronounce it. Oh, this is like a age radiance type of thing, so I am very excited to use this. You guys know I have to smell everything. It doesn't smell like anything really. All right, so 2 products to go, and I'm actually really excited about this one. When I saw that it was an option to choose for the bag, I was super excited. This is the Vita Yellow Double C Serum. I don't have a vitamin C serum, and I've actually been wanting to implement vitamin C into my skincare routine for a long time. How cute is this, you guys? Like seriously, what adorable packaging. I love the color, like I just love everything about it, and I love that it's the dropper kind of serum. This doesn't have really a smell to it either. I would say it has like a very light lemony smell. All right, we have 1 more product to go, and it is the Weightless liquid lipstick from Beauty For Real. So we're actually gonna go ahead and try this on first, and then when we're done, I'm gonna wash my face, do the mask and all of that good stuff. I don't know how this color is gonna go. This is the color Exposure, and again, this is Beauty For Real, their liquid lipstick. I don't think this is gonna be a good color for me. It looked a lot darker on the website. Like this is a very light color, so I don't know how it's gonna work out, but we are gonna see what happens. So I have some lip balm on already. I'm just gonna like wipe a little bit of it off. Oh no. I love how it feels. It goes on very easy and very smooth. The problem is this damn color. I look crazy. Oh my god. I think it would actually work if I mixed it with another lipstick or used it like with a brown liner or something, but alone we can't do this. All right, you guys, so we have the hair pinned up so that it's out of my face and I can easily get to what I need to get to. We are gonna start off first with the cleansing face balm. It says to use your fingertips to massage it onto dry skin and watch it transform from a balm to an oil to a creamy lather. Then we're gonna splash some water or wipe it off with a wet washcloth to remove. This is the texture, like very soft. I thought it was gonna be like kind of like candle wax in a way, like just really rough. It feels so moisturizing and hydrating, I will say that. It's an odd feeling for sure to have like a balm on your face to use as a cleanser, but it definitely feels super hydrating, and you can tell it's an oil now. Let's use some water and see if that changes it into a creamy lather. Okay, we have some creamy lathering going. It still feels like balmy, but it definitely feels like more of a cleanser now for sure, now that I've added water. All right, let's go ahead and rinse this off. I am really loving how my skin looks right now. I feel like it's super glowy and it feels so soft and hydrated. I was not expecting to like the cleansing balm as much as I do, but it really took me by surprise. I am very impressed with this cleansing balm and cannot wait to use it on like a face full of makeup. Let's move on to the Blue Volcanic Stone Purifying and Antioxidizing Cleansing Gel. It says massage the cleanser onto damp skin, then rinse well with some water. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of water on my face just to kind of dampen it up a little bit. I'm kind of hoping that this leaves like a cooling sensation. I love face products that leave that like minty feeling, and I used about this much. It smells good, it feels nice on the skin. It does have a fragrance to it. Now that I'm using it on my skin, I definitely smell the fragrance in it. I'm not gonna say it's super strong, but it's definitely strong enough to know that there's a fragrance there. I don't want to leave it on my face for too long, so let me go ahead and rinse it off. Look at my skin right now. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, but I feel like it minimized my pores so well. And I feel like my face just looks super clean and fresh. Look at my skin, you guys. Oh my goodness. Now we're gonna go in with the Purlisse Pumpkin and Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. Its benefits say that pumpkin is a powerful antioxidant loaded with vitamin C to protect from signs of aging. Ginger helps reduce inflammation and evens out skin tone. I need that. I guess it also contains white clay. It says that white clay tightens the skin and purifies the pores. Start with cleansed skin, apply a thin layer to face, neck, and chest. Let set and dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove mask with water in gentle circular motions to exfoliate. Use 2 to 3 times a week. I'm gonna start with about this much and just kinda work my way through. I really don't like pumpkin pie, pumpkin anything, but this actually doesn't smell terrible. The exfoliating beads in this are super small and they're not rough at all, but I'm still trying to be super gentle with how much of a heavy hand I use to apply this mask. I need one of those like little spatulas that you use to apply masks like this with. Alright, so I think this is a pretty thin layer. I look so crazy, but let me go ahead and let this sit on my face for 15 minutes and then we will rinse it off and see what the skin looks like afterwards. My face is like rock hard right now. Like I can't even smile. I can barely talk really, so it's been 15 minutes. Let's rinse this off. I have officially rinsed off the charcoal mask and I must say my skin is even softer than it was using the cleansing balm and the cleanser. It definitely feels exfoliated. It feels nice and clear, and just looking at it, I feel like it did reduce inflammation and brighten my skin tone a little bit. So moving on to the vitamin C serum from LaPalette Beauty. So you're supposed to apply this after toner using a few drops of the serum on your hands and gently tap into the skin. This anti-aging serum helps boost elasticity and cell turnover to reveal tighter, brighter skin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some toner to my face. I usually use the antioxidant spray toner from Dr. Grant. I love this toner. I have been using it religiously for months, and I actually got this from a Ipsy bag, I don't know, back in like July or August. So it has been about 6 months now that I've been using this, and I really like it. All right, let's go ahead and add in this serum. So I'm gonna do like 3 drops. and I'm just gonna tap it in just like it said. I do have some redness, but that was due to some skin irritation before I even cleansed my face, so I'm just gonna like try to ignore that. I just realized that I've had my phone in the wrong angle this whole time, so apologies for that, you guys. My skin feels nice and vibrant after applying this serum. I'm gonna continue now with the rest of my standard skin routine. Because I've used so many new products on my skin tonight, I just want to kind of keep it light and not overdo it. I don't want to like overwhelm my skin and irritate it. So right now I'm applying the Tula 24/7 Power Swipe Hydrating Day and Night Treatment Eye Balm. I find that this stuff is super gentle and effective. I've been using this for a long time as well. And once I'm done swiping it into the eye area, I just take my ring finger and gently pat it into the skin. Now I'm just gonna go in with my Tula Skincare 24/7 Hydrating Day and Night Cream. It's almost done. I love this moisturizer. I have been using this for almost 2 years now, and I really just love it. And that concludes this video, you guys. I had so much fun with you unboxing all of the products that I got from Ipsy. I'll link everything down below for you guys as well in case you want to check any of these products out. Let me know down below what you think. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this in the future. I definitely want to give you guys more than just hair content. That is the majority of what I will be doing on my channel, but I definitely want to do skin, makeup, all of that. So let me know if you enjoyed this type of video so that I can make more content like this for you guys in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.